Hello guys, this is Bhupender Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. In the Blynk series of tutorials, today I will tell you how you can connect and control the LED using Raspberry Pi board with the new Blynk 2.0 IoT mobile app and web dashboard. So let's start with it. We require the following components: Raspberry Pi, two LEDs, Raspberry Pi power supply and few connecting wires. And this is the circuit diagram. You need to connect the LEDs to the Raspberry Pi as per this circuit diagram. Let's connect the hardware. This is Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. This is a LED patch. We have specially designed it for this kind of purpose. Now connect the LED to the Raspberry Pi. I have taken 3 wires and connect them with the LED patch. Now connect the ground pin of the LED to the ground pin of Raspberry Pi and connect the LED positive pin to the GPIO 17 and GPIO 18 number pins of the Raspberry Pi. So our connection have been done. Now time to configure the Blynk template. So go to the blynk.cloud website. Here you have the login option to your account, and if you don't have an account then you can click on the create new account. So log into your account. Here click on template tab. Click on the new template button. Here write your project template name as Raspberry Pi controlled LED. Select the hardware as Raspberry Pi and connection type as Wi-Fi. Write the project description as Raspberry Pi controlled LED and click on the done. Now we will create the virtual pins. So click on the data stream tab. Here click on new data stream and then virtual pin. Write the name as LED1, virtual pin as V0, data type as integer and click on create. Now create the virtual pin for the second LED. Click on the new data stream and then virtual pin. Write the name as LED2, virtual pin as V1, data type as integer and then click on create. We have created the required data stream to control the LEDs. Now click on the web dashboard. Here we drag and drop 2 switches in the dashboard. Hover the mouse over the first switch and click on the setting icon. In the switch setting, choose the data stream as LED1 V0. You can also change the color of the switch. After it, click on the save. Open the setting of second switch. Choose the data stream as LED2 V1 and click on save. Finally, click on this save button to save all the settings to your project template. Now time to add the device manually through the template. So click on the search tab. Here click on new device. Choose from template option. Inside it, choose your project template as Raspberry Pi controlled LED and click on create. So this is how we can add the device in the new Blynk server. And these are our project credentials. You can also see these credentials in the device info tab. So now let's configure the new Blynk IoT mobile app. So go to the App Store or Play Store, search for the Blynk. We have got the Blynk IoT app. Install this app into your mobile. After installation, open it and login. Once you login, you will get the project template inside it with the name Raspberry Pi controlled LED. Click on it. Here click on setting icon and inside it click on the plus icon. Now here click on the button widget to add it into the dashboard. Add one more button because we will control the 2 LED. Arrange the size and place them as per your requirements. Now click on the first button widget to configure. Select the title alignment as center. Select the data stream as LED1 V0. Below, change the mode to switch. Change the color that you want and back to the dashboard. Now click on the second button widget. Select the title alignment as center. Select the data stream as LED2 V1. Change the mode to switch. Change the color of the switch and back to the dashboard. Red does not look nice, so I am changing the color. Now it's looking good. So we also configured our new Blynk IoT app. So time for the programming code. Power on the Raspberry Pi. I am accessing the Raspberry Pi using the VNC Viewer. If you don't know how to access Raspberry Pi over Wi-Fi using VNC Viewer, then link is available in the video description. This is VNC Viewer. I am accessing it via IP address. I have got the Raspberry Pi desktop. Let's install the Blynk Python library. So open the LX terminal and run this command. This command will clone the Blynk Python library into the Raspberry Pi. As I have already installed it, so got an error in installing the library. Once the library has been installed, then back to the dashboard. Now we need to create a programming file. So go to the accessories and open the text editor. Now go to the video description and click on the link to see the programming file. This link will open the programming file in your web browser. Copy this code and paste it here. Now we need to save this programming. So click on the File tab and click on Save. We need to save this file inside the Blynk Python library folder that we have just cloned. So go inside this folder and save it with the name as led underscore control underscore new underscore blynk.py. Now open the home folder and go inside the Blynk Python library. This is the program file that we have just saved. So double click on it to open. This is our program. In the top of the program, we import the Blynk library. After it, GPIO and then blank timer. After it, we write the blank authentication token of the project. You need to replace it from your project template. So go to your Blynk account. In the search tab, you will find your project device. Click on it and in your project dashboard, click on the device info tab. You can see your Blynk credentials. We only required a Blynk authentication token for this. So copy the Blynk authentication token and replace it here. Below, we have defined the LED1 and LED2 to 17 and 18 because we have connected the LEDs to GPIO 17 and 18. We set the mode for all GPIO as BCM. And below we define the LED1 and LED2 as an output by using GPIO.out. Now we will call the Blynk authentication token to connect our Raspberry Pi board to the new Blynk server. Below we call the function for the V0 virtual pin and store the value of the V0 virtual pin to the value variable. Alright. Now we compare the value of the value variable. If not received, the 0 means received high, then we will set the LED1 as high. At the same time, we will print LED1 high in the LX terminal window, right? And if we do not receive the high, then we will low the LED1 and print the LED low in the terminal window. Similarly, we call the function for the V1 virtual pin and store the values in the value variable. If value is high, then we digitally high the LED2 and print LED2 high in the LX terminal window. And if we receive the low, then we will digitally low the LED2 and print LED2 low in the terminal window. Below, we have defined the function so that when our Raspberry Pi has been connected to the new Blynk server, then we get the message in the terminal window, Raspberry Pi connected to the new Blynk. And inside the while function, we call the blank functions in any activity. So this is our complete program. Now go back to the main desktop of the Raspberry Pi. Open the LX terminal. Go inside the Blynk Python library folder. Now write the command to run the programming file using this command. As you can see, we have got the Blynk logo in the terminal window and we have successfully connected to the new Blynk server. Now time for the live demo. So open the Blynk IoT app. You can see your project template. Go inside it. Let's operate the LED throw button. As you can see, our project is working fine. Our buttons are operating the LEDs very fast, even without delay. You can also operate these LEDs from the Blynk website. For that, go to the Blynk website. In the search tab, you will get your device with a name. As you can see, it's online. So click on your device. This is your project dashboard. From here, you can control your LEDs as well. So click on the first LED. The first LED start glowing. And let's check the second one. It's also working great. So guys, this is how you can control any digital device using new Blynk 2.0 mobile app and web dashboard by following this tutorial. Even if you want to make a home automation project, you just need to connect the relay in the place of the LED. It will work similarly. And this is a circuit diagram to control the two appliances. If you want my help in any project, I will definitely help you. Just drop a comment in the comment box. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and videos. Stay tuned for more innovation with us. Have a great day.